And welcome to this small tutorial on how to create a realistic click and hover in Figma. So actually, I'm sure if you are watching this, you already know that there is a problem with this kind of things in Figma. I actually did a demo on the two methods of prototyping this. The first one, it's using one button with click and hover in it. The other one, it's divide the elements, divide the interactions between screens. So you can see here is the first prototype. As you can see, I can hover on it. I will show an overlay while hovering, and then when I click, you see, nothing happens. So actually I was trying a lot of things, and I saw there is this nice tutorial here of Key von Wolfshild. I will put the link on the description. And actually the idea is that you have one screen here with a hover effect. Then you jump to another frame with the state of the hover, and then here you have the click interaction that goes to this click result, so this other frame or other screen, and here you can do the mouse leave and go back to the original state. Actually, I'm doing the same here on this other prototype. Here you can see when I'm hovering, I can even change the color of the button. I'm showing the overlay, and I can click on the first one, and I can click even on the second one, and you can even do another level, so you can do like a hover effect here and show a menu to the right in the same with using the same principle. So this is actually done like this. You can see one frame with a button, and then you jump to the next frame, and then so here we have this just the clicks, so the click for the main, the click for the sub item to go to the other screen, and the back links to the main screen. And this works fine. This works fine. The only thing is that uh, actually, if you try to encapsulate this principle into variants or components, it will not work well. So this means that if you want to use this method, you have to copy this into the pages, and as you can imagine, it's very hard to maintain when you have a lot of navigation, because you should have like this kind of interactions in every page. So I recommend you. So this should be only used for very high realistic tests to try like micro interactions to demonstrate some details on the interaction for the developers, but it's not meant to be like for big prototypes to have because it's very difficult to maintain. So I was actually showing here that there is on one side scalability and realism, and in this case these micro interactions are very hard with Figma, so I would recommend this just for special cases when you want to show it. So I hope it was helping you and you enjoyed. And please, if you like it, subscribe, because I will post more ideas on how to use this method for other interactions. Thank you very much. Goodbye.